Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number and it is at the very bottom of the list. So let's keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now we can go back and we have to enter the system. So let's tap. As you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example we can show the background ANRs. We can manage the apps to don't keep activities at all. We can simulate the color space, manage the display cutout. We can show pointer location, visual feedback for tabs. We've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth and overall to the networking because we've got also the Wi-Fi and USB. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on the option is to tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings they will disappear, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.